You didn't want to wait?
What?
You don't want to wait anymore? Why not?
Why would we wait?
Why not?
What do you mean, why not? They're stretching like a couple of days.
The blanket fell off the stick and he was looking right at me.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what were we waiting for? I was waiting for him to get on him, and that was all. That'll make a good 30-second video. I thought it was a Jake. All of a sudden I looked over and saw his rope. I'm like, wait, that's not a Jake. No.
I just had to fucking shoot self-defense.
Flew right over the top of our head. I heard wings, and I'm like,
Well, you said something about here comes one. I'm like, huh? I didn't hear anything.
I heard. Oh, I'm like, boy, that thing sounds like it's flying a long ways. And all of a sudden I looked, and here you come right over the top.
Yeah.
Why? That was dumb.
I almost thought for a second we were gonna be waiting a bit.
Even God bless 2-year-olds.
Take them.
This black dynamite's first.
Man.
You didn't have time to hit Pat's camera.
No. No. Well, it wouldn't have mattered.
Well, it would have been on the gun.
No, no. No, I didn't have time for nothing.
So he landed, and I'm like, I turned the camera on.
Like, are you on him?
I turned it on, and then I hit record, and I looked, I'm like, wait, it's not recording yet. I gotta hit record again.
I was gonna say,
Where were they? In those tall trees just over top there?
I could show you if we sat back down, because I could see you.
That one's alone, huh?
Nice.
Just dumb.
That was not how I saw that happen.
Not
Not
for sure
think
they're all
you're-
deep.
So did I. No, I knew there was two times.
Think that was the big one all the way down there. Dude.
Well, that's the one I saw last night. I'm sure Alan was too, because he didn't gobble after it down. So.
That's what I figured.
I think I have the record least time in the stand.
You know how many times that would happen to me?
0.
Never.
Oh, here goes one.
How about all them Jakes landing in the field yet after you?
I know.
Ended up.
How
I
long
wonder
is
if
it
that's why
land?
he. I
Land
wonder
on
if
my
that's
own?
why he flew to the deep ice. He's
Getting there first.
gonna get away from the deep ice. Way right. To my right. To my right. No, I can't see my screen, but you can show it. I can't see my screen, so you're just gonna have to shoot him if you want to shoot him. Got him.
That'll do her. God bless him. Oh my word, is that a bomb?
He's probably 60.
One of them didn't deserve to get out of here after getting to 25 and I let him go. Because I know you were on him or not.
Little circus rodeo here.
Just pound.
I know, he just folded. He didn't flop.
I'm gonna have a sore cheek.
Nice.
Wow.
Can't always just happen pretty, can it?
Timber like that.
Yeah, we started. Corey was by that tree. Decoys right there. Those birds, one came up right behind the decoys and then they went all the way.
I could have pounded him right over there.
They went all the way down here. And then we full circle. Killed him. Right there.
I could have pounded him right over the decoy. But I was trying to tell you, are you on him or not? And
I couldn't hear you. I thought you were trying to say the bird was like right there. And I'm like, yeah, I know he's right there.
Son of a gun. I could have killed him right over the top of the decoy at like 25 yards. I couldn't tell if you could see him. But now that I'm here, I'm like, Jesus, how could you? You know? Well, we got that. I might as well make a move here. I was assuming they were going to go over the top and we would have been able to come up here. Oh my. You see that?
Yeah.
Wow. I did see that. Oh my goodness. Well, there's a reason he was the strutter, I bet. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing.
What they call those hooks.
I think that's the biggest hook I've ever shot. Watch me have 8 beards. Nope, just the one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at his head, dude. How big his freaking head is. I don't know if that was the one that come up close or not, but I don't think so either, but he was loud drumming. I mean, we could hear him down in there 100 yards drumming, I think. Big bird. I might be a rep for meat killing this year for sure. That's okay. 3's enough. You're over there.
Oh yeah.
You can see your tree.
Yeah,
Right through that wooden fence post. Jesus. That's easy 1.5 inches.
Oh yeah.
The other one's not probably right at 1.5 inches, but this one's 5/8 at least. No. No broke. That thing is nasty. Oh, that feels good.
Yeah.
Oh, good job, dude. Thanks for coming.
I got the camera off the tripod or else we were really screwed.
Yeah. Well, I knew it was a rodeo once I got past this. So I was like, all right, well, we got plenty of time. If they're in the field, we got plenty of ground to work with. But if they're just going to stand up there and hammer like that, making it too easy on me.
Come back.
Huh?
They were gonna come back into us.
I think they were going to come back in to find me too, yeah.
I think us moving around helped because they could hear us.
Yeah.
I started scratching. I thought,
Well, they saw the hen because they were standing 15 yards from it.
I couldn't believe that. I must have saw something or.
Well, I think it saw me.
Yeah.
It was looking right over the decoy, right at me when he come in.
Yeah.
You know, and they didn't. I can't remember if he gobbled right before he showed up or not, but
Not really. That was the problem. It's the size.
yeah, yeah.
Any final words?
God bless him.